Now the handgun can be a complicated weapon system. Driving a rifle is like driving a car. Driving a handgun is like driving an airplane. One of the things I want you to understand about my program instruction is that it's not based around the gun. It's based around you, the human being and the brain behind the gun. If you're out in reality or you're an operator doing CQB type tactics, this movement will come into place. It's based on the mental requisites that you need to come out here and be able to do the physical requisites. Okay, we're going to increase the range, which will increase the difficulty, but I want to increase the difficulty right here.